What's up, YouTube? Look, we're gonna do a short, quick video on. They asking me right now, is the vending machine still a good side hustle? And yes, it's still a good side hustle. The thing is, for this video, you still can work your regular 9-to-5 job and build a vending machine business. And far as side hustle, and I'm gonna say minimum your side hustle for this building this vending machine business, you should be earning minimum now, and you say you just want to get into it, you don't want to make this your full-time, cool. You could be making $3,000 to $5,000 a month. It's going to be all on how many machines you got and how many good locations you got. That's all this is really about, honestly, because you could have your machine, you could have 3 machines in one location and they bring in $300 a day. Anybody knows your basic math, $300 a day, come on now, you at 6 figures. That's just off the vending machine business, not including your regular job. So a lot of people probably don't see this because they've never been in it, but I see it, so I understand from the other side. You don't know if this is a full-time thing. You don't know if these machines are going to make you the money that I'm saying. But I'm telling you, if you got the right location, let's just say this is perfect, especially your regular people with a job will understand this. If you if you got machines at a Dollar General distribution, Amazon distribution, now think about places like that. Now, this can speed you up. I don't want to call it a side hustle because you got to get your LLC and insurance for places like the airport and the mall. If the bigger the money you want to make, the more paperwork you're going to need. If that speeds it up, it's still a side hustle, but I hate that it's work, but this money is going to make you more money. Getting this extra paperwork is going to help you keep going. So maybe that one day that you decide, man, I'm making $5,000 a month from my machine, I can quit my job, or I don't need my job as much. I can cut back, I can go part-time, or just whatever you want to do. That's what building your own system can give you now, that freedom that you're looking for. A lot of people think when you become an entrepreneur, you get freedom. Yes, you do. You get your freedom to do whatever right now. Like, I'm just throwing my hands up right now because what do I want to do right now? Oh shit, I'm on YouTube right now working on my side hustle. See the difference? When you become an entrepreneur, it just gives you more time to do what you wanted to do. So if you were passionate about building a vending machine business, it's going to be fun for you for the next, till you die. Excuse me. That's what this is really about. The freedom does come from the money. It does. Because once you have over a certain amount of money, I'm hearing people say 10,000, 100,000. Everybody's in a different position to know that their side hustler is bringing them out into the freedom world. I'd rather push another narrative and say if you're gonna, this is the side hustle. It's still, the thing about the vending machine business, you don't have to put in 8 hours a day for this to build this. The perfect thing. Weekends, you can fill your machine up. You may just say, I'm gonna fill my machines up every Monday. Every Monday, that's perfect. So when the weekend comes, it's a new cycle every week. Because something can happen in your machine, that's the main thing. Quarter might get jammed in it. It's so many things I could make up of scenarios that's gonna happen. What breaks down, a core has a short in it. Anything can go wrong. But that side hustle, like I said, 3,000 to 5,000, that's what people make a month. So what happens if you actually take your side hustle? That's why I really don't. This is what y'all wanted. I don't like to I just still call it business. Because if you're making 3 to 5, bro, that's a business you're running. Maybe you're so-called because you don't do it every day. But anybody knows in the vending machine business. If I got 6 machines in this one county that's, we're going to say downtown Atlanta, Georgia. Downtown Atlanta, Georgia is probably about an hour to get around the whole city. Maybe an hour and a half. 2 hours to the most. Atlanta ain't that big. All those machines can get filled up in one day because it's only going to take you 30 minutes to the most. 30 minutes to an hour to fill up your drink machines and your snack machines all at this one location. And please, when you get in this game, this is like a rookie shit, but it's cool. When you ask a location, can you put a vending machine there? Tell them you're going to put 2 there. You're going to put a a soda machine and a snack machine. Don't put one machine there. That's pointless, bro. You're trying to get as much profit as you can out the situation. It's not about that. It's not about trying to just slide in the doors, bro. It's about actually going to build once you get in there. That shows me you're more confident and you got everything that them people may need. If you could kill all of the solutions that they're going to run through and the problems they're going to run into, think about that. But I just had to give y'all a quick game on how could this be your side hustle.